what we have here. Looks like an Audi R8. Should I smoke his ass? Nah, I'm just playing, guys. I'm in my daily. Even if I was in the other car, I still wouldn't be able to smoke this motherfucker. But holy shit, it's turbo! Look at that shit. That shit go crazy. Sound like a spaceship. Man, I don't know if y'all can hear those turbos, but that shit sounds crazy. I be rolling with the squad, we be going so hard like whoa. You know what it is, and we always get it in. What's good, YouTube? So today, guys, this video is sponsored by Suma. This is one of my sponsors I'm doing the brand endorsement deal with. But guys, if you're not familiar with it, but if you guys take a look over here, come over here, Brady. You got B-Law behind the camera. If you take a look over here, somebody TP'd our house last night, and they kind of wrote pussy and all these profound words all over our car, which is no problem at all. We're not tripping at all. If you can see, it's like honey mustard. They even come over here. They even left the evidence of what the substance they use, took the top off and everything, which is no biggie. Our grass is out of crazy, you know, but this is no other than sloppy work, which I'm not complaining about at all. You know, and nothing's damaged at all. I mean, I'm not tripping. But what you do with these things is what they call turning every bad thing into a positive. Thanks that we have Suma here, and what you do is, Suma is a great brand. Look at this little substance right here. Not sure what it is, but we wiped that completely the fuck off. The good thing was Suma provided us with this great detailing ceramic spray. You guys can use my code down below. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can get this as well. Thanks to Suma for making this great product and sending it to me first to be a social media, you know, tester. Thank you guys so much, and let's get into the video.
Damn.
Come over here in front of the car.
Damn, young man.
All right, guys, it's time to head out and let's go have some fun. Yes, sirski.
Don't steal, we gon' take it. You wanna get Miami, go and catch a vibe. So as I catch you, know I got her in a spot. In that Hellcat shit, running high. In that black man speak from the sky. In that track, living the scene, go crazy. I try to shoot, but I'm on ecstasy, the Jesus, potato beans. Hit that acid in that foreign shit, that man machine. I'm hustling.
Y'all know whenever I'm at the E85 station, man, shit about to get reckless, man. Damn, I really do need to clean this car. I don't think I cleaned it since it got wrecked. That is insane. If y'all not tuned in, I did put the front bumper back on, just to decrease that drag when in high speeds or whatever. But other than that, yeah, she's ready to get some runs in. Yes, sir. I swear, E85 smells just like nail polish. Sheesh. All right, YouTube, what's good? Welcome back to another video. Y'all already know what time it is. Y'all just see me at the E85 station and everything just like that. So you guys know that we got something in hand. We got a DE 350 right here. I'm gonna get the owner real quick to come over here so he can basically tell me basically all his mods and everything. We got a LT1 right here, Camaro. I'm gonna get the owner over here so we can go ahead and, you know, hey, this thing is very mint. No cap. Look at that. Intake and exhaust. Hey, whoa, is this what you call it? TIG? Oh, there's the ISR. Is that the titanium one? Oh, I want that. We see it's gutted, man. We already see all that. So yeah, what's done to it?
Right now it's just long tube intake. Well, it's FBO, long tube headers, wide pipe, exhaust, the intakes, and tuned by admin.
Tuned by admin? Ooh, okay. The DE that could. And then next week we're just gonna get the Camaro owner. Let us know what's going on with it. All right, man, on this beautiful Camaro, man. With all you got done to it, I see it's very well taken care of. Everything's, you know, I've never seen an engine bay like this clean. That's crazy. So I know it's well taken care of. So what all you got done to it?
Second owner, it's got a Texas Speed 228R cam, Hooks long tubes, and a true dual exhaust all the way back, and it's the SS package, so it's got the SLP stock intake, and I mean, that's pretty much it.
Damn. Look, this how you know it's well taken care of. Look at this. You can see the sparkles under the hood. That's crazy. That's how you know this thing is very, very mint. That's crazy. Well taken care of. Sheesh. Wanna do a 20? Wanna do a 20? On you. Okay, YouTube. So the only thing about running these 6 speeds manuals, they want 50 rolls, and my power band is not for 50 roll. Like, I cannot do 50 rolls because basically my power band is way too high or is way too low. So 50 rolls is not in my favor, but I'm gonna still give them their rolls. I'm probably gonna lose, but it is what it is. This is my first time actually being out, like meeting up and stuff again. So this is pretty fun, to be honest, guys. But hopefully I get the 40 rolls and everything. Hopefully that's fun. And probably 60s. That's about it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned. Camaro got something, man. That bitch, hey, that bitch floating. Good shit. told you, I can't hang with 50 rolls. I can't hang with the 50 rolls. I just can't do 50 rolls, bro. I kid you not, a 10-speed Mustang just pulled up on the side of me. He was like, "Are you KP the GOAT?" That is insane, bro. That's crazy. Oh my God, bro. Ah, bro, if you see my hands, bro, that's crazy, bro. What the fuck? Oh, that's insane, bro. What? He just literally pulled on side of me and asked, was it me? Bro, that is crazy, bro. That's actually mind-blowing. Fuck, dude. Oh my God, I didn't even know I was that. I didn't even know I was known, bro. Like, what the fuck? Bro, I just had a talk with a subscriber on Instagram. He asked for my number. I gave him my number, bro. We had a big talk and everything, and he's a big fan of my channel, bro. Bro, this shit is crazy, bro. Like, man, his words can't even explain. I can't even think, bro. That shit crazy, like that you guys support me. And like, you know, I never thought like me making YouTube videos would be like this crazy. It might not seem much to y'all, but man, that is actually insane to me, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? I'm in Dallas, bro. And like, bro, that's crazy. I can't fucking fathom to anything right now, bro. I'm gonna just keep racing, man. That's what I'm good at. That shit scared the fuck out of me. I thought bro was gonna run into that car, bro. Shit. I'm asking for a 40. honestly, guys, hey, that Camaro was pretty fucking quick. Wow, that was crazy. Yeah, that Camaro was pretty fucking fast. 350, he got a pack-a-punch. You gotta remember, it's a DE, but yeah, if it definitely was a 6-speed HR, it would have gave me a run for my money. The Camaro was definitely crazy. Little 20 roll? Cool. Guys, the crazy part is this car is a manual, which is even crazier because, like, man, this dude was smoking balls, smoking us BQ guys. Man, there's definitely some, don't underestimate it, bro. There are some VQs that are really, really fast. I just got the basic mods. I think it keeps up, it's gutted, you know, all the tasteful mods and everything like that. But this Camaro is one hell of a thing. I got so much more respect for it just because it's a manual. So yeah, other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, tune in to the next one.